Okay, we have a problem. Another broken back window. Hello, I'm Margaret.
And I'm Russ.
And we're with Michaela.
Join us in the adventure to save Africa's wildlife. That's what happened last time. We just kept slamming it and it would vibrate and then it pops the welds right here and then the whole door bends.
Okay, so when we backed into that pole...
Oh, we won't tell everybody that.
You won't tell anybody that? Okay. We just broke that door. Okay, so the door's all bent.
It could have even been when we hit this one.
Oh, no. Well, the window hasn't been broken that long.
I'm just saying it could have popped some welds.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's true.
We started them or cracked them and then we... Because we hit it pretty good yesterday.
We're up here in close to Palabora.
I have to find a place that...
Can fix the window.
Yeah, I think fixing the door is not as hard, but it's...
But if we can put the Gorilla Tape across the window so we can keep the window from falling out. This is about to show me how he fixed the window. His solution to keeping it all together, hopefully for the next few months. Gorilla Tape.
It's bowing here, and so it cracked the window like this. So I'm trying to reinforce the cracks so they don't spread.
I think you probably did a good job. Let's see how it holds together.
Last time it caved right here, but the last time it shattered.
Yeah, and it was the signage was just holding the shatter together.
And I'm hoping if we're lucky, this is that laminated glass, so it'll crack but it won't break.
Yeah. We were wondering if the back window had made it over the rough road that we took out to Menopause. Let's take a look. Look at that. It held perfectly. Russ did a marvelous job. Come along, join us. Join the adventure. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Michaela Wildlife.